Hey everybody, Carmaniac 125 here. I'm working on my 83 Olds Cutlass Supreme. In other words, a G-body car. This wonderful little switch I had to replace, the dimmer switch, because internally it went bad where I was having a hard time getting the regular headlights to come on. And the thing is these two wires, the yellow and the tan, I guess you would call it, that's the circuit for the low beams. And when you don't have any headlights coming on, sometimes you need to check out the dimmer switch, because the dimmer switch could be bad, causing it not to make the connection. Also, whenever you got to put this back in with these little machine screws, if you want to call them a bolt, you can, but I believe this is actually a machine screw. Anyway, you want to put some sort of thread locker, preferably blue. But yeah, I just thought I would touch base on that one. I know I got a wiry, jumbled mess going on here I gotta clean up. I put it all together real quick just to get things to work. For now, I will be cleaning that up later. But anyway, this was just a short video on the dimmer switch and your headlight system on these cars. Alright, have a good one.